guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. So I didn't really record a before of my living room, so I'm gonna insert one of my TikTok footages that I got of it because I made like a little TikTok remodeling. So we're halfway remodeling it. What I'm gonna show after this is gonna be just when we started, so like the painting process. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and subscribe, keep on watching, and give this video some thumbs up. Say hello.
Ay, qué bonito te ves en la foto.
Oh, you little dumb. So we're just painting.
No, ¿lo quieres usar?
I'm painting this side.
Mucho más rápido.
Anaí starting down there. Say hello.
¿Vale? Para mí no me saques, ya sabes.
And mom's camera.
Ahí te va.
But this is our little setup.
Ahí deja la brochita, ahorita lo voy a ocupar yo.
This was supposed to be more of a yellow. But
It came out to be a cream.
yeah, it's like vanilla. And I said it was vanilla. Vanilla. So yeah, we're changing the entire living room. We're gonna change all the decorations and I'll show you guys how it comes out and the process along the way. Okay, so we painted that wall. We're gonna do these next two. And this took forever, guys, to take this wallpaper out. This wall, we built it when we got this house. So the material's a little different than this wall. This one was easier and more smooth to take off, as you can see. But we're gonna get to painting now. Okay, so we painted all this white. You can't really tell here. That one's like a creamy vanilla color like I showed. But these two are supposed to be white. And then we're just waiting for all the paint to dry. And we're also painting our glass doors to our family room. And we're going to paint this wall now and the chimney white. So here we go, day 3.
We can put candies in there. Put them in the table.
I think you're right. So we're gonna clean up the living room now.
Where do I put all this stuff at?
Just leave it there for now. So we're gonna get to painting. So there were a lot of changes of plans. As you can see, these two colors, we're not changing it anymore. That has been converted white. The chimney's done white. I'll check in back with you guys tomorrow and see how this whole setup has been going. Looks good though. Okay, so this is the table we ordered. As you can see here, we're finishing up all this. We painted everything already. All this has to be put away. We're waiting for more decorations for the walls since we can't go shopping. We've ordered everything online. And slowly gonna start getting together. We're gonna set this up today. We're still looking for a vase for the center of it. I think we're gonna use this for now, but I think this is kind of outdated for the look we're going for. So we ordered pampas, I think they're called pampas plants, and that's what we're planning to put in the middle of this. So we're gonna start putting the table together. Where's the glass part?
In there.
Right there,
Oh.
in the box.
And probably no, don't say that.
You can put the plate in the center.
Short as possible.
I think that's a good size. Okay, we finished building the table. We're just gonna flip it and put the glass part on top.
Flip it.
Flip it, Jose?
Go on.
Is it that way? Correct.
No, don't even say that. Y luego con mi suerte que me cargo a veces.
Yay!
Quedó del mismo tamaño casi de esta de alta.
Sí, pero está perfecta. And then we're gonna use
O
this
sea, yo no.
for our centerpiece with the vase and the flowers on top.
Let's
No,
put this way.
Y no me le vayan a
Here
tocar.
then vamos a pintar
Esto
estas.
de negro.
La planta, la maceta.
No, la más.
Espérate, ¿y qué te voy a agarrar?
Le va.
Hola, mi amor. Hola, mi amorcita hermosa. Te amo. ¿Besitos?
Se va a ver feo, sí, te lo juro.
Ahorita lo voy a.
Okay, I think. Oh, we did get the color. Yay!
Ah, cabrón.
¿Qué pasó?
A ver, Fátima, échalo.
Alright. Yeah, I'll take the half of it. Or just leave it there for now so I can. Okay, so then I finished that. Actually, it looks really nice.
¿Qué quieres?
Well, it's just shiny. Okay, so this is how the chimney looks like. Hello. we're actually gonna take these down, I think. I'm waiting for, I ordered a crochet like background. It's like a knit background. I don't know. I'll show it to you guys when it comes in through Amazon, I think, or eBay. I'm not sure. So we're waiting for that to come in so I can take these out and put the crochet artwork behind the mirror, and so it can just drape down. But I have to vacuum still. There's all the trash from all the packages. And we have our rug here. This is the last thing we need for the living room for now. And I'll show you guys the finished product once we have it laid out. Here is the living room. Oh my gosh. You scared me. So I'm going to show a quick overview before I start showing everything to you guys. Okay, so when you enter, we have this little wall decor with this plant here. We have a carpet, but I think it might be in the garage of the car, so we have to put that still. And then we have this is Anais, because she's staying with us. These past couple weeks, she brought her plant, so I wouldn't die. And then here is the new living room. Now again, we're gonna change those flowers because obviously that doesn't go, but we're waiting for the pampas plants to come in, and then we're gonna switch them out for the pampas. And then we found this as well. It's just a canvas. And then we have this, which is my favorite thing. I'm definitely taking this when I leave. This, I already told my mom this is mine. And then we have this decor here. And then this carpet, it has like fringe on the side, little chevron designs on it. The chairs with the red accent pillows. We have this cute little elephant. And I think this is gonna look really cute with the pampas flowers. So this has got to go soon as those come in. I have a little candle that matches the elephant. And then here's the wall art, the other chair. Then we have this plant, which you saw we spray painted this black. Well, and I spray painted that black. And then the chimney looks like this for now, but we're actually gonna take these two. We're gonna buy metal chains and we're gonna hang them at the entrance right here. So it's gonna hang right here from like the roof, or the ceiling I mean, all the way down here it's gonna hang. And then these are also gonna go like I said, and we're putting like the boho wall decor behind the mirror, so it's gonna drape behind the mirror, so I'm really excited for that. We also ordered curtains, new curtains, because these seem kind of light, and we ordered some that actually match these pillows, so we matched the pillows to the curtains that we're gonna get. So yeah, I didn't want to wait anymore because I don't know how long everything's gonna take to deliver. I'm sure that when stores open up we might find more things that we like, but for now this is what we can do. I can't wait for like Ross and Dee Dee's and Marshall's to open because they have the cutest decor as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'll do a little update if we have more things coming in, but as of now this is our new living room. We have to do something about this couch too. We discussed the couch has to do something. We have to do something with the couch too, but yeah, I really love this, and I love this. Oh, and then we put the other plant right here, which I love that plant so much. It's my favorite. So we left that there, and yeah.